Hello, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sarah, and today we will be transforming this beautiful white mirror into a gilded mirror. I know that these mirrors are very trendy at the moment, but also they're very, very expensive. So I decided to try and to transform mine into a golden one, and it turned out to be amazing, by the way. So all you have to do is protect your mirror. I placed some paper bags on top of the mirror and I taped them with this paper tape. My advice to you is just to make sure that the tape goes under the frame. But if you can detach the frame from the mirror, that would be the best scenario. But I couldn't do the same with mine. Then I got this 180 grit sandpaper and I sanded the whole frame just to make sure that the spray paint adheres well to the frame. You don't have to remove the whole paint. Then I got this spray paint in color gold and spray painted the whole frame. It doesn't have to be perfect because we will be using that thing which is called finger wax. And it's just like a wax or like a thick paint that gives this shininess to our mirror. It's extremely beautiful. It gives like this beautiful depth and richness to the mirror. All you have to do is just put a little bit on a piece of rag and just smear it all over. Then I got this vintage patina in color gray. This is like a sort of patina. It is like an acrylic paint that gives this depth into the small details that we have in here. And all you have to do is just put it on a piece of on a brush and then smear it all over the details and just wait for a minute, not more than that, and then remove the excess. My advice to you is just to keep a little bit in the small details, in the small creases. It will just give this beautiful depth to the details that we have. And the same thing, I applied it on the frame itself. I just put a little bit, I worked in chunks, and I just put a little bit. I didn't wait, and then I removed the excess. It just gives this very nice aged look. And then I got the same wax, the golden wax. I put it on the same rag, and then I just buffed the details on the mirror. This will give like shininess to the details that we have. It just makes them pop a little bit more, which I really, really liked. It just, like makes the details look a little bit more rich. And that's it. It's as easy as it gets. It turned out to be extremely beautiful. It looks like a real aged French style gilded mirror. And I really loved the outcome. Please guys, let me know in the comments below if you really liked my transformation. And see you soon. Bye.